minutes of the Wednesday vlog right now. In case you guys are not subscribed to my channel, I did put up a video on Sunday because I am attempting to vlog twice a week now. So if you haven't seen it, I will link that video down in the description box for you guys. I also wanted to bring to your attention that I have been nominated to go to Monaco for the Influencer Award. This is that I would appreciate it so much if you guys could vote for me. So all you have to do is go to www.trustinfluencer.com and then under the category parenting, click that and then vote for me by signing into your Facebook. I know it's a little bit lengthy, but I would appreciate it so much if you guys could help me out and vote for me. I would appreciate it immensely. That's it. Bye.
What's up, guys? We're at Target. Right, P? We're at Target? I came here specifically to get these strawberry shortcake Oreos. Hey, you! Hey! Preston, come over here. Please. Come on, hold hands. Hold hands. No, me.
Yes,
Me.
I know. I left mine at home. So
Right here, Preston. Oh my god. There's one left. Preston, look. Cookie. Yeah, hold this on. Oh my goodness. Okay, come on, come. You know what? I'm gonna hold it because there's only one. Okay. What do you want? Cookies? You want Rocky Road Trip? No, this looks weird. You guys, there's only one of this. So I'm gonna grab it. That's it. We're out. Let's go. Come on, P, let's go. Okay, Mama got your cookie. Let's go. No, I got it already. Yeah. Uh-oh. Brother crying. Let's go. We gotta go. Are you okay? Okay, đi vô ngồi nè. Đi, come on. Let's go sit down. No, mommy không có mua cái này. Đây, đi vô ngồi. Okay, let's go. Double stroller, guys. Double stroller. We're currently trying to potty train, and it's been hit or miss. He's been doing okay, but that's because I've been leaving him naked. Uh-oh. Somebody crying. Somebody hungry. Hey, you. What's that? What's this? Nãy gì? Bò hả? Màu gì vậy? What? What color? What color? Bò. Oh, mommy. Hey, don't do that. That's not nice. Oh, mommy. Thank you. We're gonna try these strawberry shortcake Oreos. Are you done? 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 Oh, wait, I'm sorry. Good morning, y'all. It's Sunday. It's 10 a.m. We're having breakfast and brunch, right? Right? You want more cereal?
Sure.
Okay. He's eating Captain Crunch and Cheerios. He just discovered Captain Crunch. Loves it. But I gotta mix it in with some Cheerios to tone down the sweetness. Made myself some avocado toast. Added a poached egg. This is my first time poaching an egg, you guys. Came out really good. I'm very proud of myself. We're at Caesar today and it is for a little swim. Hi, kids! Hi! The pool's warm. Oh, is it? Yeah. Are we in a tornado? About to be. Look at the sky. Ew, Lincoln. Party, 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 guys. Look at the trees. Look how freaking windy it is. Hi guys! Hello! Raining! Yeah.
Raining.
Hey! It's raining! I'm gonna let you guys know how Asian we are out here at the pool, okay? No outside food or drinks. They serve banh cuon here at Caesar's Palace.
Hey y'all,
You
take
want-
a whiff of this.
If you want some Nook Mum, okay, there it is. It's all good.
Y'all want up? I got up for you guys too. Packed it in a little container for you guys.
We got the banh cuon, homemade, okay. Preston, yum? Lincoln, yum? Okay. Yes, yes. Photo shoot time. Come on. Cheese! Ow. Ow. Hi. Hi. Why weren't you at the pool?
Because it was storming outside.
For like 5 minutes. It was just for 5 minutes.
No, where I was, it was like raining, pouring, windy.
Look, no one's gonna believe you.
No.
This is Vegas.
I'm
It
serious.
doesn't rain.
It was like so windy. The rain was
It was
coming down
really
like
windy.
crazy.
It was really. What the heck did I do? Yeah.
No, it was crazy. I thought like a hurricane was gonna hit us. I was like, all right, I'm not
You're
going to
so dramatic.
No, I got in the car, I drove out to the street, and then it was so crazy, I had to turn back around. I was like, I ain't doing this. I was like, I bet you I get out there, they're leaving.
Well, we were like grabbing our stuff, and then the rain just
Went away.
yeah. Anyway, we're so excited to go eat goijiman. It's a really yummy Japanese all-you-can-eat restaurant here. Vegas is kind of known for Japanese all-you-can-eat. It's like their thing. Hi. What's going on back there?
Hanging out.
Hanging out with your wing out? We're waiting to eat.
So hungry.
What are you wearing? Love. Ow.
Ow.
This is Wednesday's vlog. I think I'm gonna start 2 vlogs this week.
Okay, so one is for what? Why don't you do one cooking? What do you guys think? Do you guys think she should do like her cooking stuff?
No, who's gonna film me?
I don't know. I think it's called a tripod.
I don't appreciate this. It's like you're slandering me in front of my face.
In front of my child.
That's not right. A cooking one? What am I gonna cook? Avocado toast?
Yeah, show them like 100 ways.
How I mushed the avocado?
That's not funny.
With our special tool called the fork.
Our special avocado blender.
That avocado toast you made me was disgusting.
Guys, she asked me to make her avocado toast. Listen, I can make food, I just don't cut or place it well. But it is good, okay?
Yeah. Your Nook Mum was really good. I was surprised. Hey, we brought Nook Mum to the pool.
Oh my god.
We're here at goijiman. Jameson is here. Hi, buddy. Tina's here. The crew's here and the food's here. It's so delicious. Oops. Look at this. Oh, more napkins too. You guys, seriously, this looks delicious. Oh my gosh. Umi.
Where can I find this place?
It's called goyiman.
I know, I can't find it.
What?
That's all Linda checked in.
Yeah.
It looks like sushi
House,
something.
yeah, house goyiman.
Sushi house.
I'm still searching for you. I never thought it through. Oh, it's all
Look at this uni with the quail eggs, guys.
Cheers, all three of you guys.
Oh. Hi guys. I am with 4 children today. We've got Jameson, Preston, Lincoln, and Kaylee. And Ange has got to go to work. Work it, girl.
Back,
Work it.
Alicia.
I survived a day with 4 kids. They were so good. They just slept the entire day. But I just want you to look at my shirt. This is my brother's shirt, so don't judge me. I just found it and I'm wearing it. Baby Jameson. Hi, baby. Hi, Gong. I love you. He's teething, you guys. He's drooling like crazy. The kids are eating. Kids, say hi.
Say hi, Keely.
Guys, say hi.
You guys eat.
What are you guys eating?
Noodle.
Okay, cool. Okay, everyone eat. Everyone sit down and eat, okay? Hi, baby. Yummy? Hi, Gavin. Hi, Lincoln. Okay, you. Back to you. What do you want? Okay, and then we've got the adults' food right over here. Yummy, yummy, yummy. Hi.
Hi.
How's your day?
You know, freaking cleaning all day.
You're such a housewife. You are such a housewife.
Negative.
You are the best housewife in the world. Who's ready to eat, guys? Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm.
Here, you guys pick.
It ain't real unless you got it on social media, okay?
Cool, you gotta get all the angles.
Okay?
Guys, we're having a kids'
Mom's night in.
Night in.
Oh, God.
We got 4 moms and 6 kids. It's not that sexy.
No.
It's not as sexy as it sounds, guys. Really? Or did you want them happy?
Are you guys gonna boomerang this?
Yes. No.
You're so original.
Cheers, ladies. What are you doing?
Can we do it again?
I don't know about them, but I'm eating.
I'm like shaking.
Ready? 1, 2, 3.
You're shaking because you're thirsty, and I'm shaking because I'm hungry. It's Spy Somewhere. Ow.
Ow.
Cheers to mommy's dinner. And you have a kid running in the back. It's freaking hilarious. Look at his face. He's like laughing so hard.
She asked, which one do you want spun on your head?
Stay still.
The waffle bus just...
What's up, guys? It's me, Ange. It's 5.
This is what's happening.
So he was asleep.
And then we've got... Guys, the orange justice versus reality. Your turn. Go. Go away. Preston, what about you? Hey, there you go. Next dance, tidy. What about you, guy? Oh, I can do That's right. That's right.
This is easy. That's easy. That's easy.
I got you, Stephen. Okay.
Yeah.
Go, Kaylee. Go, Lynx. Look at Lynx. He's so into it.
Jameson's trying to show his cleavage. He's like, look, guys.
Hi, Gong. Let me see his cleavage.
Not mine.
Go Kaylee.
Go Kaylee.
Go Lincoln. Go Stephen. Oh, whoa. Oh no. Okay, let's do disco fever.
It's like 7 hours. Where is it?
In my bag.
You get it for me?
Okay. We're about to go eat at Gold Coast. My mom said that. Oh, hi. Preston, you want to say hi? Say hi. Bà ngoại đâu? Bà ngoại con đâu? Hôn bà ngoại đi. Hello? Hôn bà ngoại. Oh, good job, Preston. We are at Gold Coast because we're going to the buffet right now. My mom said that they have some pretty decent sized crawfish, so we're gonna go check it out. Why not? You know, Vegas has some amazing buffets, and I've never been to Gold Coast. There's some like really top-notch buffets here, like the one at Caesar's Palace is super yummy. Mega anh Caesar Palace chưa? Yeah, it's good, right? Chỗ nào thích nhất? Chỗ nào free là ngon phải không? What happened? Got the baby in the stroller. So this is the baby Zen yo-yo, and this is the bassinet. Jameson's kind of growing out of it already. Look at his little feet. Hi, Kaylee. Okay. Here we are at the Gold Coast. Hi, Mama. Let's go eat, you guys. Oh my goodness, are we gonna fit?
Yeah, you'll be fine.
Why did you touch it with your hand?
I didn't touch it with my phone.
Why did you touch it with your hand?
Don't touch. You have peanut butter fingers.
Hi.
Hello? You can bring us down. It's hot.
Preston's so hot, poor
His
guy.
face is so red.
Yeah, because he's super
so
hot.
pissed.
He's like burning up right now. Okay, my little baby wants me to carry him. Are you a little baby? Are you a little baby? You're a baby? Are you a little baby? Little baby? Go kids, go. Let's go. Hiya. Hiya. Let's go eat. Alright guys, this is why we're here. Ah, so heavy. Eat it.
You got crawfish.
Show them how big it is.
It's as big as my face.
Oh my lord! The thing is huge! That's like a lobster! What the? Oh my god, this thing is huge! Oh, sorry. Okay, wait, hang on. Oh, sorry, here. What do you want to say? Pizza! Seriously, look how huge this freaking crawfish is. Focus.